Hey everyone, my name is Omar Swailam from Tanta, Egypt. This is CS50's final project. I call it Skill Search. It's basically a website for anyone to create their portfolio and share their work. After registration, you will be taken to your profile settings to edit and add your information. And of course, you can change them anytime. Then you can go to your profile and add the skills you have and some projects you made. Anyone can visit the website and search for you specifically or search for someone with a certain job title or skill. And that's it. Thank you for watching. This was CS50.